Hi guys, Sophie here, and this is slime part 4.
Yay!
Yeah,
part 4.
Yeah.
So the first time I pressed
I
the
left
button,
off
maybe.
with
I don't know.
yay! I got 1. So if you watched it, we had a bowl of little numbers here, and I got 1, and I haven't added in my foam beads yet. So I need to add in my foam beads. Let me put this over here. Gotcha. Put my camera over here. Okay.
Good. Here's the phone.
Wait,
Maddie.
Maddie Pip. Got my phone. No, she's not Maddie.
I mean, sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Quinn. Whatever your name is. Number 2. I got number 2. Did you already get number 2? Nope. I'm gonna get. If you get the same number that you've already had,
I get to dump it all in.
I already got 3, so I can put it
No,
back.
you have to do 3. You have to do 3 again.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to do it one more time.
Please say get number 4. Or number 2.
Okay,
I do
that
that one.
You do it 4 times. So she needs to do it one more time. She needs to do it one more time. I need to do it one more time.
I just put it on my finger and then add it. This is also when we mix.
Yeah, this is when we mix too.
It's so weird. But not mixing yet.
I'm gonna get this one. I feel like this is. Oh, I have 3.
Oh, here you go.
I haven't gotten 3, so I got all 4 different ones.
I hope I get 4 lucky.
Oh, I got 4.
No,
Not 4.
I didn't get all of them. Did you get every single one? Yeah. What are the other ones? I got 2. Yes. So, how many times have you gone?